Hello everyone. There are several changes you can make to your mouse settings to make your Windows 7 experience more comfortable and personalized. In this video tutorial I will show you how to change your mouse setting to make the mouse physically easier to use. This video tutorial will show you how to switch your mouse button functions. Click on the Start button at the bottom left of your screen. Now click on the Control panel in the Start menu. The Control panel can be viewed in two ways. If you do not see a list of icons, you are in Category View. Change this by left-clicking on the View by Category option on the top right of your window. Choose the Large Icons option from the drop-down menu that appears. Scroll through the icons in the Control panel until you find the mouse icon. Double-click on it to change your computer's mouse settings. Click on left-handed to switch the current functions. This feature switched between your left and right click. This feature is useful for people who want to change which mouse button they click with. This can also be helpful for left-handed users. Now, right-click on right-handed to return back to normal. Now, click on Apply to save changes. This is all, and we hope you enjoyed our other videos. Feel free to choose other videos about mouse settings. You can choose between click lock and double click speed.